In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now enable it thanks to this switcher at the top and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Tap on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option. And when you finished, select Pair at the bottom. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or quick tip, if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. You don't have to do that in case of headphones or a speaker. Anyway, my devices were successfully connected. Last but not least, to manage any connection you have, click on this icon next to the chosen one. Check out all of those options, and in case you wanna unpair your devices, click here. Then wait a few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!